$1.2 million. $1.2 million is the number that you need to have saved up by the age of 65 in order to receive $5,000 a month. And that is $60,000 a year with a life expectancy at 85 years old, retiring at 65, which means that you need 20 years of $60,000 coming in, which means that you need about $1.2 million saved up by 65 in order for you to have $1.2 million by the age of 65. And then you got to think about, is that money going to be taxable, tax deferred, or getting tax advantages? See, you don't realize that you need to have $1.2 million by the age of 65 in order to retire at $5,000 a month. The question is, are you on track? And if you would like to learn how to get on track, comment below. I am ready.